Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp web not downloading photos. So, if WhatsApp web isn't downloading photos, the issue is usually caused by browser permissions, a poor internet connection, or temporary glitches. So, here are the best fixes to try. So, first is to refresh WhatsApp web. So, a temporary loading issue can prevent downloads. So, open WhatsApp web, then you can press F5 or Control R to refresh the page, or you can click this R right here to refresh it. So, once you click that, it will refresh the page and just wait for it to finish. So, once done, try downloading the photo again. Next method is to check your internet connection. So, a slow or unstable connection can interrupt downloads. So, you can open another website to confirm your internet is working. You can restart your router if needed, or if you're on Wi Fi, so you can click Wi Fi down here at the bottom right corner. Then try switching to another network. Then make sure it's stable, and then once connected, go ahead and try downloading the photo again and see if that works. Next is to make sure your phone is connected. WhatsApp web relies on your phone account being active. So open WhatsApp on your phone, ensure it's connected to the internet. Wait a few moments, then try downloading the photo again. Now, next is to clear browser cache. So to do that, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then from here, look for delete browsing data. Then select the time frame at the top. Then down here, make sure you select cache images and files, then cookies and other site data. Then click delete data. Then reopen WhatsApp and sign in if necessary. You can also restart it, then download the photo again. And that's it. Thank you for watching.